Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a cook with me where I show you how to make spicy shrimp tacos with avocado salsa and sour cream cilantro sauce. If you like this video, give this a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get on into the video. The ingredients you are going to need: medium-sized shrimp, salt, garlic, olive oil, black pepper, tomato, avocado, chili powder, ground cumin, yellow flour tortillas, jalapeno, sour cream, and cilantro. So the first thing I would do is cut up the cilantro, jalapenos, tomatoes, and avocados with the sour cream and place them off to the side so that they would be ready when it was time to make the sauces. To cook the shrimp, you're going to add in olive oil in a medium mixing bowl, ground cumin, garlic, salt, and then you're going to mix it all together with a spatula. Next, you're going to take the shrimp, pour it into the bowl, and then mix it all together. Next, you're going to wrap it and cover it, and then you're going to place it in the fridge for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we are going to now start to cook the shrimp. This next step is optional, but if you want, you can heat up the tortillas to just make them a little bit more crispy and warm. Now we're going to make the avocado salsa, but in this next clip, you don't see me adding in the avocado because I had to make two separate ones. So now we are going to add in tomatoes, jalapenos, and then salt and pepper. And then once you're all done, you're going to mix it all together. And then in the next clip, you see me separately adding in the avocado. And now we are going to be making the sour cream and cilantro sauce. So you are going to take the sour cream and then add in the cilantro, and then you're going to mix it all together. And now we are going to finally assemble the tacos. So the first thing you're going to do is add the salsa and avocado sauce. And then on top of that, you're going to add the shrimp And then on top of that, you're going to add the sour cream and cilantro sauce. Now, after putting everything together, you're going to fold it up like a taco and then enjoy. Trust me, it looks more appetizing and tasty when you eat it. I tried to make it look presentable, but overall, I would give this a 10 out of 10, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye!